What is that? What do you do? What do you do on the phone? Talk on the phone. Audrey, who's on the phone? Who's on the phone? Audrey, who's on the phone? Who are you calling?
Yeah. Hey.
Who's on the phone? Who are you calling? Are you calling Moon now?
Mom.
Hello, friends.
No.
Hi.
They're all friendly, but not everyone likes worms.
Good job, Audrey. Good job on the phone.
But when you get to know them, they can be good friends.
Oh,
Hey, Mona, Archibald wants to talk to you. Yeah, hey. Hi,
it's okay. It's okay.
I need to go to the store. Could you babysit my worm babies?
Sure.
Oh my. Dance.
Thanks, Muno. I'll be back real
Yeah. Who you calling?
Yeah, I love babies. Hey, guys, check out my new friends.
Who's on the phone, Audrey?
What's wrong?
They're too small.
And scary. And they're too loud and scary.
Don't be afraid. We can all be friends. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. All of us are different.
Are you dancing on the phone?
Some big and hairy. Some small and tiny. Don't be afraid. Don't
Wait,
be scared.
you're like calling somebody. Whoa, my. It's back. You can have it again.
Be a friend to you.
Oh.
Be nice and say hi to my friends. Okay, you're gonna hold Annie, and you're gonna hold Armand. Okay, here you go.
I'm not afraid.
I'm not either. They're nice.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
Oh.
All of us are different. I'm a worm,
You're so cute.
but we can still be friends. I'm not afraid.
Hi.
I'm not afraid. All of us are different.
They're worms.
Say bye? You didn't say goodbye.
We can still be friends.
Thanks for watching my worm babies, Muno.
Sure, I love babysitting.
Hey, does anyone want to go for a ride?
Baby.
You're my baby.
I got